Ready for the summer? Dive into the Costa Azul experience. Hello to all our valued friends and future pool owners. With summer right around the corner, are you ready to make a splash with the Costa Azul, our exquisite swimming pool design? At San Juan Fiberglass Pools, we don't just build pools, we design experiences. The Costa Azul was inspired by our core belief that every pool should be a personal paradise, a perfect escape. After carefully following our unique design process, we crafted this beautiful oasis in a stunning lagoon layout. With its delightful depths and captivating curves, the Costa Azul is ready to become your summer haven. But here's the best part, we're handing the creative reins to you. With the Costa Azul, you can customize your pool with a variety of enhancements like water features, beautiful decking, an attached spa, and LED lighting. Your dream pool can truly become a reality with San Juan Fiberglass Pools. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.